Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download After Effects. Now, it doesn't matter if you're on Windows or you're on Mac, it's basically the same process. You just have to go to Google and then search up After Effects, right? And it'll show up this to official website here. It doesn't matter which one you pick. I'll pick this one here. It's the same thing for both of it. And you'll see that it says After Effects free downloads and free trial earlier, right? And that's a bit misleading, but it's technically true. And what I mean by that, I'll show you. So you can see there's a 7-day free trial of After Effects, right? So you'll get the full app with the latest update. You won't be charged and no fee if you cancel within 40 days. So what it means by that is that when you first start the free trial and download, you'll get a 7-day free trial here, right? So like this. And then after that free trial ends, you'll be charged. But if you cancel within the day 8 and day 21 time span, you'll get your money back. And let's see what we do if I click on start free trial here, right? So I start free trial, and then let's click on continue. Let's pay a subscription. Let's wait for it to load. Let's click on continue here, and you'll see that we'll have to enter in our credit card details here, right? But you can see that due now it's 0. So even though we have to enter our credit card details, it is technically free, right? Because we won't be charged for anything. We just have to go through the trouble of entering our credit card details. Although, if you do enter in your credit card details, your free download will be unlocked and you'll get a 7-day free trial, and then you'll be able to download it. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.